What if I told you this entire website right here was built without writing a single line of code? Looks professional, right? And the best part, it took just a few clicks to create. So if you've been wanting to build a website for your business, blog or portfolio, but thought it was too complicated, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to build your own website. No coding, no tech stress. Just a step-by-step method that anyone can follow. And by the end of this video, you'll have your very own website live and ready to go. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. So we are going to build a website in just two parts. The first part is to launch your website. Now this is where we'll get a new website live on the internet. So to launch your website, we'll do two steps. The first step is to pick a name for your website. And to do that, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Since I've already chosen a name, I'm going to enter that and click check availability. As you can see, the domain is available. So once you've chosen the name, let's go to step 2, which is to get the domain and hosting. A domain is just the name of your site that people search for to visit your website. And hosting is the place where your website's files will be stored. So to get a domain and hosting, scroll down, click here, and it'll take you to WebSpace Kit. Now here you can choose any plan you want. As I want to host one website, I'm going to choose the basic plan. Now here you can choose how long you want the hosting for. So I'm going to select 12 months. But if you want to get a better deal, you can also go for the 36-month plan, which will cost only $5 per month. Next, you can see that the domain name we chose earlier is already added here and we are getting it for free. So let's add it to the cart. Now here you need to fill in these details to create your account. So let's fill in these details. Once you're done, here select the payment method. Just enter the card details and then click checkout. Okay, so now we have made the payment and we have successfully got the domain and hosting. Now if we click here, you can see we have successfully got a hosting and domain. And once you got the hosting and domain, your website should be live on the internet. To check that, let's open a new tab. Now if we enter our domain name, you can see we've got a brand new website on the name that we selected. Right now it looks blank, but we are going to fix that in the next step. Okay, so now we've successfully launched our website. Next, let's go to part 2 of this video, which is to start building your website. So to build our website, we are going to do 5 steps. The first step is to log into your website. So to log in, just type /wp-admin after your site's address. And this will take you to the login page of your website. Here you have to enter the username and password. Now once the site is active, you should have received the login details of your WordPress website in your email. So let's open our email. And as you can see, we've got a username and password here. So let's quickly copy these, paste them here, and click login. And now we have successfully logged into our WordPress website. And this is the place where you can control your entire website. Okay, so now you've logged in and we can now go to step 2, which is to install GravityWrite's website builder plugin. Now this plugin makes building your website super easy. It automatically designs and creates the whole site for you with just a little input. So to install the website builder plugin, just click the link below this video and it'll take you to GravityWrite. Then click on Get Website Builder Plugin and you'll see a confirmation pop-up for the download. So click here to download the plugin and your plugin will be downloaded to your computer. Now to install the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins and click on Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin, click Choose File, select the plugin that we downloaded and click Install Now. And once that is done, click Activate. Okay, now you've installed the website builder plugin. Next, let's go to step 3, which is to connect WordPress to GravityWrite. To start building a website using the website builder plugin, we need to connect GravityWrite with WordPress. So to connect it, click on Let's Get Started and then select Continue with GravityWrite. Here simply sign in with your Google account. After that, just click Continue and your WordPress website will be connected to GravityWrite. Okay, now that your WordPress website is connected to GravityWrite, let's move on to step 4, which is to add your website details. Now you need to provide details like your website's type, name, description, contact information, and so on. Because this helps GravityWrite understand your site better so it can adjust the design layout and the features to match your website's needs. First, you need to choose the type of website you want, whether it's for a business, blog, portfolio, etc. So I'm creating a website for a restaurant. So I'll select restaurant and click continue. Next, enter the title of your website and again click continue. Here you need to describe about your business, like what you offer or sell. The more details you provide, the better your website will turn out. You can either fill in the details yourself or let AI do it for you by clicking on Write with AI. Once you've added these details, click continue. And now it's time to add your contact details you want to show on your website so visitors can easily reach you. So let's fill them in and click continue. Now we have successfully added the details of your website. Once you've done that, let's move on to the next step, which is to choose a template for your website. Now you can see that GravityWrite provides a variety of templates to choose from. Just pick the one that feels right for you. So I'll go with this template and click continue. So here you can see all the details we just added. So you can take a moment to check everything and make sure it's all correct. If you missed anything, if you want to change something, you can always go back and fix it. But if everything looks good, just click on start customizing and it'll take you to this page. Here you can do some customization to the template before you start building the website. Okay, first let's add a logo here. Click here and upload your logo. Now let's change the font style from here. Update the font color to match the look you want. Okay, so now the template is ready. Next, let's build the site with the content and the template that we just added. So to build it, just click on Start Building. And as you can see, our website is now getting generated with all the content, including the images that we need. Okay, now we have our homepage fully built with unique images generated for our business. So you can check it out how it looks. Now here you can see GravityWrite has suggested more pages for our website. We can choose ones that we want to build. Since the homepage is already generated, just click Keep and Next. Next, we have the About Us page. If you want the About Us page, click on Generate Page and it will be created instantly. Now if there's a page that you don't need, simply click on Skip Page. In the same way, you can generate all the pages. Once you've generated the pages you want, click Import Selected Pages and GravityWrite will start building our entire website. Alright, now our site is ready to go, so let's check how it looks. Just click here and you can see we've got a brand new website. Now anyone can access this website by going to this address. So once you've got the design into your site, you can now go to the final step, which is to edit the content. So to edit any page on your site, you just have to go into that page and click on Edit with Elementor. So let's say you want to edit the home page. So simply click Home and then click Edit with Elementor. And you will go into this editing section. So let's say you want to change the text here. Just select the text and start typing anything you want. So I'm going to type this. And now if you want to change the text on this button, you can just click here and change the text on this button here. So in the same way, you can edit any text you want on this page. Just select the text and then start typing. So this works throughout the website. Now if you want to change this image, just click on it, select the image here, drag and drop the image, and then click Select. And once you're done with the changes, you can just click Publish. Now if we go back to our site and click refresh, you can see all the changes we made. So that's it guys. This is how you can build a WordPress website in the easiest and the fastest way possible. Before we wrap up, GravityWrite can not only generate your website, it can also create blogs for your business and create social media content and images. And the best part, it's on sale right now. So grab the discount by clicking the link in the description. Alright, usually most people go for .com domains, but if you want your website to stand out and look more professional, I recommend choosing a .online domain. This domain will be perfect for all types of online businesses and it will make your brand look more established. Also, online is a keyword that has high search volume, so your site will have more chances to rank on Google. To get this .online domain, just click the link in the description. And here you can see we're getting the domain for just 99 cents using our link in the description. So go ahead and check it out and make your site look more professional. Website Learners is now available on WhatsApp. Whenever we have a new video, it comes on this WhatsApp channel. So to join us on WhatsApp, just scan the QR code and click this link. Now click on this follow button and that's it. You'll now receive the latest updates on WhatsApp. So that's it guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.